Hello and welcome back everyone to my class. Today I am going to discuss 6 most important questions from chapter 3 Human Reproduction. So the first question is, what are the 3 embryonic layers present in an embryo? Write the names of the organs that are developed from these 3 layers. The answer is, the 3 germ layers of an embryo are ectoderm, outer layer, endoderm, inner layer, and mesoderm, middle layer. Cells derived from the endoderm eventually form many of the internal linings of the body, including the linings of the most of the gastrointestinal tract, the lungs, the liver, the pancreas, and other glands that open into gastrointestinal tract and female vagina. The ectoderm, on the other hand, eventually forms certain outer linings of the body, including the epidermis, outermost skin layer, and hair. The ectoderm is also the precursor to mammary glands and the central and peripheral nervous system. Cells derived from the mesoderm, which lies between the endoderm and ectoderm, give rise to all other tissues of the body, including the dermis of the skin, the heart, the muscle system, the urogenital system, the bones, and the bone marrow, and therefore the blood. Question number 2. What is Leydig cell? State its function. The answer is, Leydig cells are interstitial cells located adjacent to the seminiferous tubules in the testes. The important function of Leydig cells is to produce the androgen and testosterone. The Leydig cells produce testosterone in the presence of pituitary luteinizing hormone. The hormone helps in expression of secondary male characters in male. Question number 3. Which sex chromosome is present only in male men? The answer is Y chromosome. Question number 4. Why sperm contain mitochondria? The answer is, the middle piece of the sperm possesses numerous mitochondria because mitochondria produce energy for the movement of tail that facilitates sperm motility essential for fertilization. Question number 5. How seminal plasma is formed? Write a function of seminal plasma. The answer is, seminal plasma is the liquid part of the semen of human male and is sum of all the male reproductive glands like seminal vesicles, prostate gland, and Cowper's gland. Prostate gland secrete a white-colored alkaline juice, which buffer the acidity of vagina. Cowper's gland secrete an alkaline fluid which serve as lubricant for the semen. function. It is glucose and fructose rich, which act as energy source for the sperm cells. Question number 6. Describe the structure of human sperm. The answer is a mature sperm consists of 3 parts: head, middle piece, and tail. Head portion. It is the nucleated conical part. It consists of 2 parts, nucleus and acrosome. Acrosome is a cap-like structure present at the anterior end of the head. It helps the sperm in penetrating the egg membrane during fertilization. At the base of the nucleus is a centriole called the proximal centriole. This is a figure of human sperm. The membrane around the sperm is called plasma membrane. The tip portion of the sperm is called acrosome. These are nuclear material. This narrow portion is called neck. This portion is called middle piece. These are spiral mitochondria of the sperm. From here, this portion is called tail. Middle piece. The head is followed by a small tube-like structure within which mitochondria form a spiral structure called mitochondrial spiral. The neck also contains distal centriole that gives rise to long tail to form axial filament. Tail portion. The tail is the locomotory structure that makes the sperm motile. That's it for today's video. Thank you.